exploring the phrase, roasted pumpkin, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, roasted pumpkin. This phrase is not only delicious in the culinary world but also rich in its usage and meaning in the English language. Let's dive in and understand all about it. First, let's break down the phrase into its two main words, roasted and pumpkin. Roasted refers to a method of cooking, usually done in an oven, where the food is cooked by dry heat. Pumpkin, on the other hand, is a type of squash that is typically orange but can come in other colors too. When combined, roasted pumpkin refers to this squash cooked using the roasting method. In the culinary world, roasted pumpkin is a popular dish, especially in the autumn months. It can be seasoned with various herbs and spices, making it a versatile component in many recipes. This phrase can evoke a sense of warmth, home cooking, and festivity, particularly around events like Thanksgiving. Interestingly, roasted pumpkin can also be used metaphorically. For example, calling someone a roasted pumpkin could imply they are feeling warm, satisfied, or even a bit overcooked from too much sun. It's a playful phrase and can be used affectionately. Roasted pumpkin holds cultural significance in many English-speaking countries, associated with holidays like Halloween and Thanksgiving. It symbolizes harvest, abundance, and the changing seasons. This phrase can bring up memories and images of family gatherings and traditional meals. So, that's roasted pumpkin for you, a phrase rich in culinary delight and cultural significance. It's a wonderful example of how language and food interconnect in the English culture. I hope you found this exploration interesting and helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using English phrases like a native. Until next time, happy learning!